People new to the idea and concept of homeschooling often have 1,000 questions. Here is some helpful information to guide you. Homeschooling advantages. 1. Allows quality time, providing individualized attention and instruction. Homeschooling parents can better understand their children, observe how kids progress, what areas they find difficult, and help them out. 2. Children learn in their own pace. Homeschooled children can advance at any time, they don't need to wait on others. Or perhaps your child is a slow learner, or having difficulties, they can remain focused without the pressure of holding anyone back in their progression. 3. Parents pattern their teaching style and curriculum in accordance with the child's learning style, allowing him or her to successfully understand the subject matter, thus better results are achieved. 4. No peer pressure. Age classification is not a factor, therefore children not only associate with children their same age, but with children of different ages, and adults as well, so they can decide on their own without the influence of peers. 5. Hands-on learning. Activities which are outside the context of books are very much essential to the child's learning process. Trips to the park, the museum, the zoo, going fishing with mom and dad, can be a great time to spend an afternoon educating your child. Homeschooling disadvantages. 1. For the homeschool parent, much time and effort is required for preparation of teaching materials, lessons, and managing the child's opportunities, in order to cultivate friendships and expand on the child's interests. 2. Parents who homeschool do not have enough time to spend for themselves when kids are constantly at home. This frequent time of being together can be at times suffocating and, therefore, cannot work in certain families. 3. Homeschooled children do not have a lot of opportunities to bond and develop friendships with peers. For many families, this really is not a problem and is supplemented by taking the kids out to play in the park, attend youth groups, join local sports teams, and so on. However, it takes a lot of effort on the part of parents to ensure that their kids have these opportunities. Whether to homeschool or not, it all depends on you, as a parent, on how much are you willing to give your child. On top of all the learning materials, the field trips, homeschooling entails a lot of love, patience and encouragement. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.